Do you ever find your mind wandering when listening to somebody giving a lecture or a talk? Here's a simple but powerful trick, not only for paying closer attention, but for remembering more of what you hear. Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and this trick is deceptively simple. The next time you find yourself listening to somebody speak, whether they are a teacher or a politician or a public figure of some kind, see if you can guess what they are going to say next. Even if you guess incorrectly, this is a kind of active listening and active learning if you can train yourself to anticipate what a speaker is going to say next. You will naturally find yourself more engaged with the material and more able to remember the material long after the talk or lecture is over. Give that a try and see how it goes. And do you have your own tricks for learning with greater ease and enjoyment? Feel free to share them with us in a comment or through our website, cozygrammar.com. We'll look forward to hearing whatever you have to say.